don't know. That's what I'm looking for. I love it. Look at him just pull all the shit out of the suitcase. They do this all the time. Every time they pull a colored person over, I swear to God, they search it. I can't see if you do that. Thank you.
Oh, okay. I just didn't know what you were doing.
No, I appreciate it. I'm just filming.
Okay, that's fine.
Cool. Thanks, guys. You can't see the shadow light in my face. This might take a minute. Okay. I'm gonna scoot left just a little so I can see. Okay, perfect right there. Yeah, they're just sitting there. They're back up. 5 cars. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 4 cars. See, he's out. So there's 3 cars. 1, 2, 3. That one's a Tacoma. That's crazy. Ooh, in the front seat too. Weird. Yes, I can hear. I love when I can hear. Yeah. Oh. Some sweet Nike shoes. No, not weird at all. Okay, this is more interesting though. It's a K9 unit. Yeah, this would be a good video. I love K9. Dude, if there's a dog in the video, it gets so many views. You wouldn't even know. I will. Not. See, they seem alright. If I was by myself, it would be like this. No, I don't. It's not worth it. Right. That too. I know they're talking about something. I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, it can't be. There's... Right. No, I don't think she's a cop. I think she's like a passenger. Ooh, it could be a ride-along. That's right. Good call. That guy's a detective. In the Cubs hat. Yeah. And then if they have 3 stripes, they go up like this. There's stripes on their shoulders. If there's only 2, they're regular cops. If there's 3, then they're sergeants. And if they have a star by it, then they're like, I can't remember. There's a captain. Yeah, these 2 are. The 3 are. And then he's a detective. He's a K9 officer. I don't know. I don't know how much special training you have to have for that. To me? Oh. Don't be surprised if they take your picture. They do it all the time. It's fucked, but they do it. No, it's illegal. It's totally, they have no reason to take my picture. So, right. I won't. I'll flip them off. Right. See, you're helping me. I need help. I don't know. Oh, it's a gun. Oh, shit. I didn't even notice. Hold on. AR-15. Paintball gun? Well, it's not an assault rifle. Because unless it's fully automatic, it's not an assault rifle. See how they stand in my way? It bugs me because nobody can own it. Sure, sure. But then I move and they move.
I'm sure you're aware that you're being filmed. Yeah.
Yes, you know. Get it fast.
I got one. Better than none.
He's gonna film me. He's a bootlicker. No. I know, he shouldn't worry about it. He's just a bootlicker. I have no idea. I have no idea. That's definitely an AR-15 though. This is a good stop. What's that? Oh, I can't see. Probably. Oh, the magazine that slides in the bottom? Probably. Oh, that or another gun. It might be another gun. Could be ammunition. I can't see though. You don't have a camera, so they'll like you. They just hate cameras. Right. Right. But I'm just gonna stay here for today. I mean, why do they need to tell them they're being filmed so they're careful? You know what I mean? Why do they need to know they're being filmed? It shouldn't matter. I'm just saying. It shouldn't matter. They should act the same regardless, whether there's a camera or not.
What's up, dude? How you doing?
Welcome to the show. We made it. Now that we're done.
Oh, she's a... 217091. See if we can get this guy's plate before he leaves. Oh, he's parking. That's okay. Nobody needs to walk. I'm just talking to my camera, not them. I didn't get you. guy has gun in his pants. What's that? In the Tacoma. Right. She has no shoes. Those are her shoes. You see, she's not wearing shoes. They put it in the back seat. Huh. In the back seat of this second car. Yeah. Right. Cool. Dude, you're awesome. Thank you. I miss so much. Right, I know. Because I gotta make. Because if I don't look at the screen, then I end up going like this.
You'd like something like, I don't know, a party.
I know. I'm set up way better. I just don't have all my shit today. I have I'm getting cameras put on my little blue truck soon. My buddy's got them all ordered. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, shit. They are arresting her. Oh, nope. They're letting her out. Look like they're... Nope. They just put them on. Never mind. Sorry. She is riding in the front seat. That's weird. I've never seen him put anyone in the front seat. Nope. He's gonna get her shoes. And a pack of cigarettes. I love that you like to do this with me. It's a little scary. It's such an adventure. I can't see. We're talking behind a tree. Yeah, when they're all done, you can go up and talk to them, but they might tell you to get the fuck out of there. So, yeah, you can ask them name and badge number, anything you want. Say, can you guys tell me what's going on? And they'll say, oh, you need to go. If you want to know, then you can pull a fucking request or whatever. And you'd be like, yeah, and then you just be like, that's what I just did. I just made a public request. You know what I mean? What is that? You see that? He just spit on the road. That's a ticketable offense. Just saying. That's a sergeant right there on the back, on the left. That's a sergeant. Because they know I'm not stupid. I know what those 3 stripes mean. That's the guy in charge. Okay, deal. Promise. Okay, no, it's fine. Just be careful. Cops are crazy. That's why they became cops. Just kidding. You do what you want. It's the Constitution.
Look at me.
I know, you look gorgeous.
No, not that. I'm like 5'1".
Right, you're not a threat.
I'm not.
And you're not holding a camera.
That's why I'm not.
I won't talk. I promise. Oh no, that'll never happen. I won't come up behind you. I'll stay back here. I'll get a little closer, but I'll stay back. You don't want to be in my video? Right. Now these cops are being good. I have no beef. Just say, excuse me, sir. Just say, are you finished? Say, excuse me, are you finished?
Are you?
No, I can come talk to you when we are done.
Cool. Thank you.
Thank you.
I wish they'd get the dog out. Dude, I love it when they get the dogs out. Everyone always hates them because the cop dogs are always assholes to their dogs. So they fucking, like, you get some mean comments. It's so good. Because the cops are assholes to their dogs. How do you think they get them to do that shit? They fucking beat them. So. Dogs are so unpredictable anyway. I know. They just, but if that cop wants that dog to hit on that car, that dog's gonna hit on that car. Like, period. Right. Yeah. I don't want to talk about it either. Okay. The wind's going the other way. They can't hear me. Just got something on the board. Let's do that. It's a bag. I think it's that lady's bag. I think it's that lady's bag.
What?
Because it's got her smoke sitting next to it. This is called beer also. Is it? I'll have to check it out. Oh, that sounds wonderful. Oh, we got one leaving. That's a good sign. Back to 5. He showed up. He was the second canine unit. Oh, they're leaving too. Going the other way. Gonna go look for a truck parked on the side of the road to see if they can get my name and number, but they can't. Sometimes they do. Oh, they do it all the time. One time some cops left a note. Cops left a note on my truck. It said Blue Lives Matter because they figured out what truck I was driving and they stuck a sticky note on my door. Like fucking douchebags. That's Midvale though. Midvale PD's a piece of shit. I will tell you straight up. Yeah, see, they're both going that way. I don't know what they're doing. I can just only speculate, but. Yeah, I need a directional microphone. I need to get one. The wind's hard though. What do you want to know? That, I mean, ask him a little nicer than that, but yeah. Just ask, say, can you tell me what was going on here? Say, because I'm interested in the story for my video. Okay. Well, then just say you're curious. Like you tell me. You just like to know what's going on. I don't know. I never think about what I'm going to say. I just go, wing it. Just wing it. I say I live around here. It doesn't mean anything. They're really cool. I don't think they're going to be jerks.
No, he's super nice.
They've been nice.
Yeah, he's super nice.
Yeah.
What kind of car is that?
It's a Volkswagen Jetta. I could, but they're shining their light on it. It's too bright. I actually broke a window in one of those last week.
I'm just curious what's going on. I've never seen anything like
Traffic
that.
stop that it just ended up being a whole bunch of stuff. So, I mean, in order to protect their privacy, they're entitled to privacy just like anybody else.
Public information, actually.
But, like, he was on the middle of the sidewalk. I saw it.
He's lying.
Scared.
That's
pre-crime. He's talking about pre-crime guys.
That's what I'm asking.
It's scary sometimes, but we rely on our training, obviously, and stuff like that.
She's awesome.
So I guess also I'm wondering, Brett Canyon needs one of the dogs for that.
One of them.
Oh.
I think it was already done by the time you guys got here.
Oh, I watched both of them for a while.
Yeah, a lot of them come because it helps them with their training too. One of the guys that came is a newer canine. He doesn't actually have a deployable dog yet, so he's still training. So he
Okay.
comes and watches the guys that are already certified.
And it helps them get used to all the conventions.
He learns how to do all that stuff too. So. We don't have cages in our cars. Yeah. So we don't have cages in our cars. So for these cars without cages, it's safer to put them in the front seat where we can see them
Yeah,
than have them behind us.
that's interesting. I've never seen that. So,
Well, she's in handcuffs, so but
right.
it's if they're cooperative, we're fine with it. If they start giving us attitude, whatever, we'll just have one of the patrol cars come and put them in the cage. It's safer for us to be able to see them when we're up here with them. That way we can see them if their hands start doing weird things instead of them being behind us without the cage being there. And then if they got out of handcuffs or something, they do that, they surprise us. Lots. Some people can just make their hand.
Oh yeah.
People do weird things.
They can real shrink them. Yep.
Yep.
That's crazy.
So, what department do you work for?
Taylorsville.
Taylorsville. Cool. Would you mind giving me your name and badge number?
My badge number is 170.
No name?
That's all you needed to give.
Cool.
If you wanted to.
No, it's cool. I was just asking. You're fine. So, that was
I
weird.
think that car just drove over something.
Yeah, I think he popped something with his tire. Anyway, thank you. I appreciate it.
No problem.
So,
Sorry, I should have that too, but I'm just very
No, that's fine.
curious.
Totally fine.
So, are you and that's why
They're just
they're
unmarked cars, so that way we can investigate, stuff and without being obviously detected until.
And this is stuff that is regular traffic stop.
All night long.
I just never seen it. That's why.
Crazy.
Alright, well, thanks for being
No problem.
cool
Absolutely.
and answering all my questions.
No worries.
Sorry, I'm
you have a good
changing.
night. You guys stay safe out there.